have 24 pets? Like, just a couple of big ones, just a couple of medium-sized ones, and all tiny ones? I'm tired of accessories.
Yeah, I agree. Can we just have all pets in this little outfit thing?
I don't know, guys. Well, let's just see what the door has for us today. Oh, look at that. A scarf. Ugh, didn't we already have a scarf? Well, Amy, I guess you're right. We should have just... You know, we really wish the advent calendar had all the pets in it, okay? Accessories may be great and all, but I just want the pets. Truth be told, Duchess, I just wish we had more pets. Aww.